welcome back to another vlog. Today we are on our way to Lenox Mall because I wanted to go look at some shoes at Neiman Marcus, and then I also wanted to get the new pumpkin pies. So I'm gonna bring you along, and then we also going to Ikea's because if y'all didn't know, I am looking for a new desk for my I'm just looking for a new desk. So I want to go to Ikea's because you know their desks are they are more affordable. So I guess I'm gonna just walk y'all along in Lenox Mall, y'all. I'm gonna tell you, Lenox Mall is different. I'm gonna film while I'm going through the metal detectors because they have metal detectors now, and I am wearing my Shein outfit, and this is the wrap I was telling y'all about that I had ordered from Shein. So I will see y'all in the mall. Bye, you all. Yeah, pretty sure. Yeah. Oh, I know how to do what's that called?
Oh no. Oh, there's no metal detectors?
Oh. Let me tell you. There are no metal detectors, y'all. I guess it was a waste because I didn't understand it myself because they had them here, but they didn't have them in the front. They used to be like right here.
These shoes are nasty. They look old. They look like they've been worn out.
That's the whole style,
They
yeah.
all look ugly.
You don't like it. Look at them.
Those like $1,000. They ugly.
Cost all that money.
People actually buy these.
I'm back home. Y'all, when I tell you I am so freaking tired. I tried to vlog for you all a little bit at the beginning. I don't know. We went to We went to Ikea. We went to Lenox Mall, the Nespresso counter, and Neiman. And then we also went to Neiman Marcus. The bag that I'm carrying is my Louis Vuitton backpack. And y'all already know, if you've been following me, my hard stories. I'm going to do a really quick haul. I did go to the Nespresso store, and of course I had to grab the Nespresso pumpkin pods. Did get 2, and lucky I had my email, because I didn't know that without the email you couldn't get the Nespresso pies. You had to be invited to get the Nespresso pumpkin pies. I didn't get 3 because when they come out, of course I'll get more. I just grabbed 2 only because I wanted to try this here new one. I think this here is a limited edition one. This to try. And I'm like, how much? I thought they were $10 a piece, you all. Let me see. Oh. I didn't know they were 15. Oh, shoot. No. This here was $15. Now, wait a minute. I wouldn't have got this for $15. Wait. I didn't know this was $15. Because if y'all didn't know, I have a whole lot of coffee and I really didn't need this. So yeah, this was $15. This here better be delicious. I didn't know this was $15. I should have asked. But yeah, I got those, and then I also got 2 I have on my Shein jumper. Hopefully this bra ain't looking really bad, because I don't have a good strapless bra. I thought I did, but I don't. But yeah, you all, this was my Nespresso. I have been purchasing, when I tell you I have been purchasing so many YSL bags, because I really cannot decide on the particular size I want. I done purchased the small camera bag, the toy Lulu, the small Lulu. Then I purchased the double zip that comes on Tuesday. And then I purchased this one, you all. Now, if out of these here bags that I had, between this and the other bag, because the other 3 bags that I just mentioned, they didn't end up working out for me. If these 2 bags don't work, then I'm just going to give up. Because like I said, I wanted the Louis Vuitton Graceful. And of course, when you go online, it's not available. So I was like, okay, trying to find like an everyday type of bag to Neiman Marcus to purchase anything. But I noticed that they had a YSL store, so I was in the store trying on bags, and of course I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and purchase the bag. I do prefer to purchase online, but since I was in store, I'm like, okay, let me just grab it and take it home instead of ordering online. Have to wait, because like the other bag I'm talking about, I did order online, so that bag won't come until Tuesday. To the Atlanta area. Here's the receipt. I'm gonna keep everything together. Come with the box if I didn't mention. And here's the dust bag. And I purchased the, what is the correct name for this hair bag? Here's the Lulu Puffer toy quilted. I think the gold, but then I was like, okay, maybe I'll try silver, only because I do have the Gucci Moormount in gold. Just switch it up and get a silver bag with silver hardware. He did show me a gray bag. I probably insert a picture. I did like the gray, but gray is a color that I don't normally, I mean, I do wear gray because as you can see, I have a gray jumper on, but I don't think gray would be a nice bag for me to wear every day. Like for me, if I purchase a gray bag, it would be probably like a Coach or a Marc Jacob or something like that. Like a bag that costs this much, I didn't want to purchase it in the gray color. So I was like, with black, you can't go wrong. Like it goes with everything. This much for these type of bags. I need it to go with everything. I was struggling with those other bags. The toy Lulu I like, couldn't fit all my essentials. The smaller bag was really, really nice with the tassel. I like that a whole lot. But when I was paying for stuff, I noticed I was struggling at the register. And I do not, I repeat, I do not want to be at the register struggling trying to put my stuff back in the bag. You know what, Tamika, just, if it's not going to work, just, you know, send it back. So that's what I did. A YSL bag, as you can see, because I done purchased about 4 or 5 YSL bags. Like, I do really want a YSL bag, but I want to love the bag. Like, I just don't want to get it just to get it, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I want to love it. I want to love it because I already love YSL. Like, I did try it on a few times when I was back home, and I didn't like it at first, but once I was in the store today, he let me put stuff inside of it, and once I set on me a whole lot different when I started putting stuff in it. So with this here bag, I didn't put everything in here. I did put enough to just figure out if I want to take it home. I brought it home because I ended up liking it. So hopefully I end up loving it, because of course I'm gonna play with it some more. You do get your YSL card inside of the bag. Like I was saying, with those other bags, I did have to take this, like I had to downsize from this. I couldn't carry this and my Louis Vuitton as my key, but I didn't like the fact that each time I had to come to, you know, get to my gate, I had to detach my car key, hit the keypad, do all that. So I was like, you know what, this is not going to work. So I ended up pulling back. I ended up pulling my Gucci key pouch back out. So store, they both was able to fit. So I was happy about that. So as you can see in the inside, both of the items can fit, and then I also can fit a lip gloss. If I decide to keep the bag, what I think I'm gonna do is when I do my unboxings, if I decide to keep them, that's when I'll do a part 2, because I feel like now moving forward, I don't want to do a part 2 if I don't end up keeping the bag. So if you see a part 2, then you know Miss Tamika kept the bag. Right now, I feel like I can carry like my main essentials, like my AirPods. Like I was struggling with my AirPods. Did just purchase a new Gucci item. If you follow me, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I really don't like carrying gum in my high-end bags because I do not like my gum. I don't like my bags that smell like gum. Let me take that out. The smell is not that strong, but yeah, y'all, I do not like my bags that smell like gum. Like I don't. This here, I don't think I would carry in this particular bag, but let's just throw this in here and see if it can fit. As you can see, it fit. Now, see, this size is a lot better for me because of the fact that I can hold more. Like, I feel like the Toy Lulu was really cute. And another reason why I was half and half with the Toy Lulu is because I didn't like for that bag to be that expensive. I didn't like the all leather strap like this one here, like made it half leather and half chain. I don't know, I just felt like with the all leather strap, it just, you know, just made the bag look a little different to me. That strap, you was able to detach the strap and purchase a strap off of Amazon, but yeah. So like I said, I do like this because you have half leather and half chain. I tell you, this bag is super soft. Like, I like the way this here feel. And as you can see, it do closes. It's not really full. We can fit some more stuff in here. My pill holder, so we're gonna drop that in there. Got my cell phone. Where's my cell phone? Because I definitely need my cell phone. So let's see if it can fit. So I have the 12 Pro Max, and we're gonna go ahead and slide that in the back. Okay, I probably should have put, let me see. I'm sure it should be able to fit. Here's my keys. It's here. Like I said, I won't carry this lotion because I did purchase a new lotion from Bath and Body Works, and it works amazing. So now I am forcing it to close. Now why am I forcing it? Let me see. So yeah, we're gonna probably do without the lotion for now because I'm so tired, y'all. I just came straight in and decided to film this here video, so don't mind me, I'm a little tired. I don't have that Bath and Body Works lotion, but of course I know for sure I will not carry this in my in my smaller bags, just because the way it's shaped. I probably just use one of my Bath and Body Works lotions. Here may be the winner. Like, this here bag is the bag I may end up keeping, because as you can see, it fits all my essentials. It just wasn't quite working for me. The small one, that one of course fit all my essentials, but I had trouble with closing it. When I was going to open and closing it, it wasn't catching right. So I don't know if the button was off, because like I said, I didn't purchase that from the YSL website. I purchased it from Neiman Marcus, so I wasn't sure. I don't know, but I'm like, okay, see, for this bag, that bag was the most expensive bag out of all the bags that I purchased. For that price, I feel like I shouldn't have to struggle as much as I did with the buttons. I knew I was sending that one back, because like I said, I don't know if it was the bag that I had, because I feel like with these here buttons, it should just snap, like, you know, like so. I purchase every size, every model, every whatever. What I said I'm gonna do is, these here bags do go on sale. Well, not go on sale, but like Neiman Marcus, Saks, and those type of stores have sales where if you spend a certain amount, you get like percentage off. If I do end up liking any of those sizes, I may just wait until that particular sale go on and then grab another YSL. But for right now, I think this may be the winner. Not sure, but I'm gonna show you how it looks on my body. Here's the bag on. Like I said, it looks really, really nice on. It's this here gray. Like I said, I didn't want to purchase this in a gray color. I wanted it in black. And right here, with me pushing this down, I feel like I have room. So once I play with this bag and maneuver it around, I'm sure I can put a lot more in here. The bag, I am 5'1". It hangs at a good length for me. This here particular bag, I don't think the straps are detachable, and I'm fine with that because I wasn't looking to detach the straps. I did see someone make a way to make this shorter, but as you can see, it fits perfectly on me. Like, I don't mind it being as long as it is. Like, it's not too long where it's like, oh my god, girl, you need to shorten that strap. Like, it's not like that at all, so I don't mind that. Wanted to go ahead and share this here unboxing, so I can go ahead and play with this bag and make sure I'm loving it 100%. So I'm still going to upload my videos if I keep the bags or if I don't. Like I said, what I think I'll start doing, well, it's not going to happen all the time, so you know, but for right now, what I think I'm gonna do is, for those bags that I didn't keep, I'm just not gonna do a part 2. Going forward, if you see a part 2 on any of the YSL bags, you know I kept it just for YSL. Now, Louis Vuitton or anything like that, anytime I buy them, Louis Vuitton, I normally keep those because I know what I want. But with this YSL, I don't know, it's just a tricky brand for me. Maybe because it's new, I guess, I don't know. But I just been having a hard time picking the right bag. And so, yeah. With that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed the beginning of this here vlog. Like I said, my daughter and I, we went out because I'm looking for a white desk for my area, because I did go to what's that called, Target, and bought a whole bunch of gold stuff. I do have a haul for that, so I'm not sure which one is gonna go up first. Well, I'm just rambling. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play with this stuff. I feel some kind of way because y'all, I did not know. Like, why y'all ain't tell me this coffee was $15? Like, I did not know. I don't even think I ever had a $15 coffee. Like, this coffee better be freaking delicious, because if not, I'm gonna be upset. No, I'm not going back to Lenox Mall, so. But I'm hoping it's good. I think they were, what, $12.50, I guess, or $13. I don't know. But they weren't $15. That's high for some freaking coffee. So, y'all, with that being said, please give this video a big thumbs up, because you know why? Because it helps out my channel. And please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.